All right, this is navigating a database for elementary schoolers.
Okay.
In this video, I'll be showing you around a database. When I talk about a database, I mean an organized online system that has information about many different topics. Some databases focus on one topic, while others cover many topics. If you want more information about what a database is, watch our video, Databases versus Websites. Today, we'll be looking at a database that covers many topics. To log into a database, you're going to need a few things: internet access, a device that can get you on the internet, your library card, and your PIN, which is your password. If you need help getting any of these things, contact the library. I'm going to show you how to start searching in Scholastic Go. This is a database that Hennepin County Library pays to access so that you can access it for free. I've already found the database on the library's website, but if you need help with how to find databases, watch our video Finding Databases or contact the library. Here's the homepage of Scholastic Go. Notice the search bar in the middle? This is a common thing you'll see in a lot of databases. If you type in a search word into the search bar and press this button, you'll see different kinds of information about that topic, like videos, articles, and images. Something else you might see in a database is a Browse or Explore option. You might use these kinds of options if you need ideas for a project topic. I see something like that on this homepage. Do you? It's up here in the corner. There are 3 types of information you can explore in Scholastic Go. You can watch videos about different topics. They call these videos go-to videos. You can also look at newspapers from around the world by clicking on World News. And if you want to explore a certain area of the world, click on Atlas. Okay, so let's try doing a search. I just learned that Minnesota is the gopher state, so I'm interested in learning more about gophers. I'm going to start by typing in the word gopher into the search bar. The page has changed into a search results page, and we can see that there's a lot of stuff to look at. Scholastic Go found information about gophers in images, articles, websites, and other formats. If you don't want to see all the different types of information at once, you can refine your search results. Refining means taking a look at what's on the page and getting rid of the stuff that isn't helpful to us right now. For example, let's say we only want to look at articles. Right now, we're viewing all the different types of search results. At the top of the page, we'll click on the word articles. The page has changed again, and now we only see the articles. You can repeat this for the other types of search results too. Click on an article if you want to read it. I'm going to go back to our search results page to point out something special about articles in Scholastic Go. This database has articles at all different reading levels. That's what these numbers and colors mean. A yellow or a green article might be easier to read than a blue or orange article. You can always ask your teacher which reading level might be best for you, or you can always try reading an article. If you find it's too hard to read, you could go back to the reading level that's right for you right now. Now you know your way around a database. I'm so glad we learned a new skill together today. If you're still wondering what I'm talking about when I talk about databases, watch other videos in our Data Basics series. If you still have questions about databases or anything else, you can always contact Hennepin County Library. Thanks for watching.